The City Hall, a fairy tale in stone. Imagine a building so grand, it looks like it leapt straight out of a medieval storybook. Welcome to Middelburg City Hall. With its Gothic spires, golden statues, and intricate carvings, this 15th century masterpiece dominates the market square. But behind its fairy tale facade lies a dramatic past. In 1940, German bombs reduced it to rubble. The people of Zeeland rebuilt it brick by brick, a symbol of their unbreakable pride. Fun fact, the tower clock is nicknamed Crazy Betty because it always runs slower than the Abbey Tower. At night, the facade glows like a golden crown, perfect for Instagram magic. The Abbey Tower, Lange Jan. Reach for the sky, dare to climb 207 steps? The Lange Jan Tower stands tall at 90.5 meters, Zeeland's ultimate lookout. Built in the 14th century, it survived fires, wars, and even the iconoclasm of the Protestant Reformation. From the midway platform, you'll see all of Walcheren and, on clear days, the neighboring islands. Why Lange Jan? Named after the monks who once lived here, but locals call it the Guardian of Zeeland. The Oostkerk, Middelburg's hidden gem. Now, let's unravel a mystery. The Oostkerk, a rare octagonal church from 1667. Designed purely for Protestant worship, its dome resembles a stone crown, a radical design for its time. Inside, look for hidden carvings of fruit and birds, symbols of prosperity from Middelburg's golden age. Did you know? Middelburg was once the second richest Dutch city after Amsterdam, thanks to the Dutch East India Company. Walk around the Oostkerk district, you'll find 17th century warehouses turned into chic cafés. Middelburg's legacy. This city is a living history book. In the 9th century, Vikings raided it. Later, monks turned it into a cultural hub. Today, Middelburg blends past and present. Think antique bookshops, jazz festivals, and hidden courtyards. By the 1600s, it traded spices from Asia and even had its own stock exchange before Amsterdam. So, whether you're marveling at the City Hall's spires, climbing the Lange Jan, or decoding the Oostkerk symbols, you're walking in the footsteps of merchants, monks, and warriors. Ready to explore? Zeeland awaits!